What is it, Adolpho? Huh? Why are you meowing? Yeah, I know. What? What do you want? I gave you treats. What? I gave you treats already. Are you hungry? Okay, show me what it is. Show me. Where do you want to go? I'll follow you. Okay. That way, okay. Are you showing me something? Okay. Slow down. I'm old. Don't run. No. What? The food is here. Here. What? Huh? Where? Oh, you know how to open the door. Okay. And then, what's next? This is the laundry room. Huh? Oh, here. This is the garage. Adolpho, this is the garage. That's the garage door. Open a little bit. It's cold and dark. Why do you want to go to the garage? I'll turn on the light. Adolpho, it's so cold here. Okay, I'm going back in, alright? I don't know where you are. Hello? Adolpho? I'm coming back in. Oh, there you are. Come back in. It's cold. Come on. Come on. See? It's cold. Told you. There's nothing here. Silly cat. It's cold. Alright. What now? Food is here. You have wet food and you have the dry food. And that's your water fountain. You have grass too, right there. Adolpho, right there. Wow. You want to go out in the sun, right there? Oh, look, it's sunny, Adolpho. It's fall. It's fall. The leaves are changing. Look at that. And over there. What? It's cold. Are you sure? It's -2 Celsius right now. Okay. Since you insist. Okay, I have to close the door, okay? Adolpho, I have to close the door. It's too cold. Alright. I'll close the door. No? Don't look at me. I'm not going out. It's freezing out there. Okay, you good on your pedestal. No? Yeah, he always he likes to chase the squirrel, and yeah, the noise of lots of birds in here. So I think he likes to, and also eat the grass, of course. He always eat the grass and then he will throw up in the house, and I have to clean up. Oh, by the way, over there, back there, there is a lake. All the way there's another lake. I'm not sure if you can see. And in that lake, we have a lot of beavers, and also turtles, for real. And the turtles will climb on the shore and lay eggs. So I haven't seen it. My neighbors told me that the turtles lay eggs on the beach. So anyway, Adolpho is there for a few minutes and then he will meow and ask to be let in. So for now, I'll just let him there. It's so cold, I won't open the door. Alright? Alright, Adolpho, say bye. Okay, so I hear something meowing. By the way, and those are all cat toys. Adolpho and Roxie, they play here with the toys. There's another one. So let's see. I heard meowing. Sure enough, there he is. That's the troublemaker, Adolpho the Manish. Daba, happy now? It's cold. Stay inside. So I set the house 71 degrees, so that's comfortable here. Outside is probably like 32 right now. 32 Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. So that's the front yard. It's the fall, changing colors, sunny, blue skies and all that, but it's actually very cold. So the sun is misleading because it looks like it's warm, but in reality it's actually very cold. Let me show you a better view from this window. Yep, it's freezing outside and it's not even December yet. And you can see there the leaves are falling already. So very soon I will have to clear everything, the leaves from the lawn and from the driveway, and I'm not looking forward to that. Alright, Adolpho is back inside, so I better start working. Thank you.